this video, we will demonstrate how to use Iv SEO, an all-in-one SEO optimization app for Shopify stores. Iv SEO helps merchants optimize products, collections, articles, images, structured data, and site performance from a single dashboard. After installing the app, the merchant is redirected to the home dashboard. On the home page, Iv SEO shows the overall SEO score of the store. Beside the total score, the app displays the top 50 SEO issues detected across the store. At any time, the merchant can click the Rescan button to start a fresh SEO scan and update the results. Below the main score, all modules of Iv SEO are displayed with their individual SEO scores, allowing the merchant to quickly identify which areas need improvement. From here, the user can directly enter any module by clicking on it. Now we click on the Products module. Here, all products are listed in a table. For each product, Iv SEO shows an SEO score out of 100, along with the number of SEO issues. This allows merchants to quickly identify which products need optimization. By clicking on a product, the user can open the Product Details SEO page. This is the most important page of the Iv SEO app. At the top, the user can enter a target keyword for the product. Iv SEO calculates the SEO score based on this keyword and analyzes all related SEO factors. For each SEO issue, the app provides clear guidance and suggestions. Under every SEO item, detailed points are shown. The goal is to optimize each item until the indicator turns green. After the title section, the merchant can optimize the description. Iv SEO detects issues such as keyword stuffing, low keyword density, and internal or external linking problems, and guides the user to fix them. The product URL can be edited directly from here. Canonical URL settings are also available, which are important for avoiding duplicate content issues. Iv SEO also provides image ALT text optimization, a feature many SEO apps do not offer. Users can set or update ALT text for product images directly from this page. The app provides a SERP preview, showing how the product appears on Google search results. Both desktop and mobile previews are available. Merchants have full control over social media sharing. They can customize the social image, title, and description. A live preview shows how the product will appear when shared on social platforms. In the Advanced SEO section, Iv SEO offers powerful features that usually require multiple apps. Merchants can add review schema by entering rating value, best rating, worst rating, and rating count. Search engines can then display rich review snippets in search results. The FAQ schema section allows users to add frequently asked questions and answers directly. No additional app is required to insert FAQ schema for products. Iv SEO also supports collections and articles optimization. The workflow is the same as product optimization, making it easy for merchants to maintain SEO consistency across the store. In the Image Optimization module, merchants can optimize images across the store. Users can add or update ALT text in bulk and also revert changes if needed. This removes the need for purchasing a separate image SEO app. From the Structured Data module, merchants can configure schema markup for organization, local business, articles, and more. This helps search engines better understand the store's content. The Redirect Management module allows merchants to create and manage URL redirects. This is useful for handling deleted pages or SEO-friendly URL changes. In the Speedup module, merchants can check the current performance score of their store. Iv SEO provides speed insights and optimization options to improve site performance. Iv SEO provides a complete SEO solution for Shopify merchants, covering on-page SEO, technical SEO, schema markup, image optimization, and performance tools, all from one app. Thank you for watching this demonstration of Iv SEO.